Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making lobia brinjal egg curry. Black beans 150 grams, around 1 cup, soaked for 2 hours. Water 2 cups, whistles 3. Oil 3 tablespoons. Mustard seeds 1 tablespoon, curry leaves handful. Chopped onion 1 cup. Saute for 2 minutes. Tomato half cup. Brinjal 250 grams. Salt as per taste. Red chilli powder 2 tablespoon. Turmeric half tablespoon. Coriander 2 tablespoon. Roasted cumin and fenugreek powder 1 tablespoon. Tomato paste 2 tablespoon. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Half cup water. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Boiled egg. We have to prepare our traditional curries in our homes. Tamarind water 1 cup. Boiled black beans 1 cup. Coconut milk half cup. Water half cup. Mix everything. Cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Yummy curry ready to eat. Enjoy with rice and papad. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please support my channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya. Bye.